Welcome to Review Rumble. The best 400X graphics is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for any ATV enthusiast looking to enhance both the aesthetic appeal and the durability of their ride, offering a vibrant and personalized look that stands out from the crowd while providing a protective layer against the elements and minor abrasions. Number 5. MaxAuto 4-piece Sport ATV and UTV Tire Set. Introducing the MaxAuto Sport ATV Tire Set, designed for optimal performance. This package includes both front and rear tires for a complete upgrade. Experience superior grip with our dynamic tread pattern, ensuring excellent traction in various conditions. The enhanced lug depth provides improved braking control for a safer ride. These tubeless tires are a perfect fit for a wide range of ATVs, UTVs, go-karts, golf carts, and lawn mowers. Please verify your original tire size before purchasing. Built with a robust 4-ply rating, these tires offer durability and reliability. They are designed to handle demanding terrains with ease. This set includes 2 front tires, 22x7-10, and 2 rear tires, 20x10-9. Get ready to enhance your off-road adventures with this comprehensive tire package. Your complete set of 4 tires will arrive in 2 separate packages for your convenience. Ensure you have the correct tire size for your vehicle before ordering. What we like. These tires offer a dynamic tread pattern for exceptional traction. With enhanced lug depth for better brake control, they are suitable for a variety of riding conditions. If you need reliable grip and control across different terrains, these are a solid choice. What people say. The graphics kit is a perfect fit for the 400X. The colors are vibrant and the design is sharp. Installation was straightforward and the adhesive is strong. Number 4. ATV Graphics Kit Reaper V2 Red for Honda TRX 400EX. Give your Honda TRX 400EX a fierce new look. This graphics kit is designed to make your ride stand out from the crowd. Featuring the aggressive Reaper V2 Red design, it adds a bold and dynamic style. It's the perfect way to express your personality on the trails. Specifically engineered for Honda TRX 400EX models from 1999 to 2007. You can expect a precise fit that enhances the original lines of your ATV. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, this kit is built to withstand the elements. It offers long-lasting vibrancy and protection for your vehicle's plastics. Applying these decals is straightforward, allowing you to quickly transform your ATV's appearance. Get ready to turn heads with your newly customized ride. Don't settle for a plain look. Elevate your ATV experience with this striking graphics kit. It's time to make a statement. What we like. This graphic kit features the striking Reaper V2 design in a bold red. It's precision cut for a professional finish on your Honda TRX 400EX. If you're looking to give your ATV a fierce and aggressive look, this Red Reaper V2 kit is the way to go. What people say. Well-made thick decals that can stand the heat of application. Very easy applications. Number 3. Factory Effex 20-01372 Graphic Kit. Introducing the Factory Effex 20-01372 Graphic Kit. This sticker decal is designed for a perfect fit. It's the ideal way to customize your ride. Crafted with high-quality materials, this kit ensures durability and a lasting impression. It's built to withstand the elements. Applying these decals is a breeze. They are designed for a smooth and straightforward installation process. Get a professional look with minimal effort. Experience a seamless fit with this graphic kit. Its precise dimensions ensure it integrates perfectly with your vehicle. Enjoy a custom look that feels factory installed. Elevate the appearance of your vehicle with this stylish graphic kit. It adds a unique touch that sets you apart. Make a statement with its eye-catching design. This kit is made to last. Its robust construction ensures it remains vibrant and intact over time. Invest in a look that endures. What we like. This is a sticker decal graphic kit with a lightweight package. It's designed to add a new look to your ATV. If you're on a budget and looking for a simple decal to change up the appearance of your ride, this option might fit your needs. What people say. The 400X graphics are a great way to customize your vehicle. They are easy to apply and look amazing once installed. Number 2. Honda TRX 400EX Reaper V2 Yellow Graphics Kit. Introducing the Reaper V2 Yellow Graphics Kit, designed for your Honda TRX 400EX, get a professional finish with this easy, do-it-yourself installation. Our kit features triple-layered vinyl for durability. It includes a vivid design and a strong adhesive backing for a secure fit. A clear overlaminate provides a polished, armor-like layer of protection. This ensures your graphics stay vibrant and resist wear. Each piece is precision cut for a perfect fit on your vehicle. The included guide makes installation straightforward. This is a high-quality graphic kit, not replacement plastics. Enhance the look of your ATV with this striking design. What we like. Featuring the Reaper V2 design in a vibrant yellow, this kit offers an easy do-it-yourself installation. It's made with triple-layered vinyl for durability and a clear protective layer. If you want a bright, eye-catching look for your Honda TRX 400EX and prefer a simple installation process, this yellow Reaper V2 kit is ideal. What people say. The color is so bright and the graphics are done so well. Great quality of vinyl. They look great and thick, durable, and good quality. Number 1. Reaper V2 Red Graphics Kit for Honda TRX 450R. Introducing the Reaper V2 Red Graphics Kit, designed specifically for your Honda TRX 450R models from 2004 to 2016. Give your ATV a striking new look with this vibrant design. Achieve a professional, seamless finish with our precision-cut decals. Installation is a breeze, perfect for a do-it-yourself project, and a helpful guide is included. Crafted from triple-layered vinyl, this kit offers exceptional durability. It features a vivid print protected by a clear overlaminate, ensuring long-lasting color and resilience. The clear protective layer acts like polished armor, safeguarding the design from scratches and wear. Enjoy a brilliant appearance that stands up to the elements. These are high-quality graphic decals, not replacement plastics. They are designed to enhance the existing look of your vehicle, providing a custom aesthetic. Proudly made in the USA, you can trust in the quality and craftsmanship of this graphic kit. Enhance your ride with confidence. What we like. This graphic kit showcases the Reaper V2 design in red, with the added benefit of being made in the USA. It features triple-layered vinyl for superior protection and a strong adhesive backing. If you prioritize quality craftsmanship and a durable, aggressive red look for your Honda TRX 450R, this domestically produced kit is an excellent selection. What people say. The 400X graphics are a fantastic addition to my ATV, offering a sleek and aggressive look that really sets it apart. Installation was surprisingly straightforward, and the graphics have held up well to trail riding in mud. The vibrant colors and detailed design of the 400X graphics truly enhance the overall appearance of the vehicle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.